this is our body, and it has different parts such as the head, hands, and legs. And all of these have different functions altogether. For example, if I remove the hands, you will not be able to work. And if I remove the leg, you won't be able to run or walk. And if I remove the head, you won't be able to see, eat, or think. So you see, different parts have different functions. So for the body to work entirely as a system, you need the head to eat, think, and see. Then you need the hands to work, and then you need the legs to walk and run. So all the different parts together make a system, and that makes our survival possible. Now, similarly, we all survive on planet Earth, and our planet Earth also has a system. That is, it has different parts which handle different things so that the Earth is able to sustain life on it. Now, these different parts of Earth are called 4 domains of Earth, which are atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. And they together make the Earth system. So let's understand each one of them. Now, can you really survive without air? Well, you cannot survive without air for more than 3 minutes. It's so important for our survival. And not only ours, but most of the living organisms of the Earth need this air, and they cannot survive without it. Now, where do we get this air from? Well, the air is all around us, and around all the different organisms, and everything which you see on planet Earth is surrounded by air. And this air contains oxygen which we breathe. And not only oxygen, it has so many other gases which are required for our and other organism survival. So the envelope of gases surrounding the Earth is what is atmosphere. So everything, all the different gases and air all around us, they form the atmosphere, which is a very important domain of our Earth. Now, can you really survive without water? Not for very long. Without water, you cannot survive more than 3 days. So it is also a very important part of our survival. And now, where do you get the water from? Well, water on our planet Earth is stored in different forms. And usually you will find them in seas, lakes, ponds, and rivers. So all these different water bodies and water that is available on planet Earth, they together make the hydrosphere, which is another important part of our Earth and very important domain of our Earth. So apart from atmosphere, hydrosphere is another important domain which contains all the water. Now, where do we live? We live on land, right? In fact, majority of animals and birds and us all live on land. So most of the animals, birds, and humans live on land. So land is very important. Otherwise, where will we live? Where will all the plants live? They all live on the land, isn't it? Now, this entire land which you see in different forms, like the flat land, the mountains, even the land under the sea. So all these different land together makes up the lithosphere. So different forms of land, including the mountains and sea floor, together form the lithosphere, which is another important domain of our planet Earth. And apart from this, there is the fourth and very important domain, which is the biosphere. Now, biosphere connects all the previous 3 zones. So biosphere is the zone which connects the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. So let's understand what this is. So biosphere constitutes of all the organisms. For example, birds in the air, animals, vegetation, animals in the ground, dead plants and animals, microscopic organisms, sea creatures, and marine living organisms. All these are part of biosphere. So wherever life exists, it is part of the biosphere. So biosphere is the region of the earth where life exists, and it exists in all the different domains. For example, you will find life on land, in water, and in air too. That is why biosphere connects the other three domains of earth. So you see, biosphere is the connecting sphere between atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. And together, all these four domains make up the earth system. And with all these four domains working together, our earth is sustainable and livable for us as well as all the other organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.